get here, and it was getting worse, so I gave it to Hubs.
I'm probably old salty.
Yeah, a bit much for me. Hey y'all, it's Breezy T from KW Rollers. Today is Sunday. We are in Missouri in the middle of a freaking blizzard. So we were able to park, and the conditions just deteriorated really, really quickly. So we were able to park at a truck stop that wasn't even on the Rand McNally. It was 30 miles closer. You talking about somebody praying, saying, "Come through, Jesus, come through, Lord. I know you there." Yes, that was me. And I'm telling you, I don't think we could have did it without him. Say what you want to say, but Hubs is a great experienced driver. I handled it for as much as I could, and then, I was like, dude, I can't do this, so I gave it to him. And he's amazing. He's an amazing driver, but none of that would be possible without the Lord. I'm telling y'all, none of it, because you can't see anything. I'm talking. Okay, y'all, it is really winter. We are in somewhat of a blizzard in Missouri. This is very scary for me. I handled it as much as I could, and I gave it to Hubs. So he's doing it, but we're gonna be stopping pretty soon because the visibility is like really, really low. All right, guys, be careful out there. So yeah, that visibility is 0. So at any rate, I guess I'm gonna watch a little football. You know what I'm saying? My Steelers are playing. So everybody that's out there, be safe, be careful. We were light. Our trailer was swinging from side to side. The wind is high. When you couple that with the fact that you can't see the road because it's all white, it's time to pull over. You know what I'm saying? So be easy, be safe. Breezy T from KW Rollers, and we're resting for the night. Just remember, when it looks like this outside, yeah, the load is important, but you are more important. Your life is more important than that load any day.